Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the speaker and confirming it's pairing LED or sound. This tells you it's discoverable. Once done, open Bluetooth on your phone and enable location. Many phones need it to show nearby devices. Make sure the speaker shows a name you recognize. If not, check the manual for default ID. Now walk slowly in 10 to 20 meter sweeps while watching signal strength and keeping the speaker audible. You are triangulating proximity. Next, download or open a Bluetooth scanner app to read RSSI values and MAC addresses. RSSI tells you signal strength, so you know if you're getting closer. Once the app is active, move slowly and watch for rising numbers. Higher RSSI means nearer. Make sure to compare MAC or name to your speaker to avoid false positives. Also, trigger the speaker's pairing mode to cause a chime or voice prompt. That audible cue speeds localization when walls or furniture hide the signal. Finish by following the strongest RSSI and sound cues into likely hiding spots, under furniture, in bags, or between cushions, and visually inspect those areas. If you lose the signal, power cycle the speaker and swap batteries or charge it. Low power can drop discoverability. Make sure to note the last seen MAC or model and tell household members or lost and found if you're in public. That increases chances of recovery if the device goes to someone else.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.